All right, so we got that breakdown. It's definitely bearish on the hourly. It's definitely bearish. Could be a bearish day today. Hmm. Hmm. Hey, yo, what's up, man? Hey, yo, what's up, Smith? Shit, I think we bearish today. We bearish. We're bearish on the hourly right now. We took out Friday's highs, and it just seems like the bulls are not able to hold it. So I think we need a pullback to get some more buyers to buy up into this thing. That's what I'm thinking right now. Oh, you agree? Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? What's up, Alfred? Everybody. All right. Well, we're definitely getting more volume in the market. We started off the session with 300, well, roughly 311,000 contracts being traded right now. So we're definitely seeing an uptick in volume. Check out the Thursday drop. Yeah, I think. Yeah, yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Yeah, dude, I was looking at this. I almost took the double top short at the highs today, and I was like, man, I don't know, man. I'll just wait for the orb, but looks like I should have just taken it. Man, I hate shorts, man. It just suck. It just suck. I just know that because I do think that we'll potentially get a rejection from the trend line like we're seeing now. I definitely have this trend line drawn correctly. So I'm confident that this trend line that the market will react at the trend line as it's done previously. You can actually see the market literally, the bears literally trying to sell it at the trend line right now. So this kind of confirms that I have this trend line drawn correctly right here. So uh I want to take a short here, but I know better than that. I know better than to start a position at a trend line. I know better than that on the Nasdaq. He finally got back and he just restarted another account. Damn. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess I took a loss on gold then. Damn. Okay. Okay. That's all right, man. I'm just gonna follow my rules. I'm stay in this thing long term. Mm. Mm. Man, I hate Goldman right now. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna take this gold short right here. Take this gold short. Mm. That's why I don't take shorts. I don't start positions at the trend line. It's just so dangerous. Or at least on the Nasdaq. On gold or something, yeah, I'll start a position at the trend line. But all right. Well, I mean, that's kind of bullish for the Nasdaq. That's kind of bullish. It's kind of bullish, but that hourly candle is bearish. That hourly candle is still bearish. Uh, yeah, I know, man, Smith. I know, man. I know. I know. We'll come back. Okay. Well, you got this small. I mean, for right now, we got this small little opening range right now. Uh, With the market closing back above this trend line, man, I just don't know, man. We got the bears, these rainbow bears yet again failing to hold the pullback here. And because they failed to hold the pullback, they got stopped out. But the higher time frame is saying that this thing is going to be is man, dude. The higher time frame says that it's supposed to be bearish, and I hate that. I hate that. I hate it. The higher time frame said it's supposed to be bearish, but it looks like the bulls are having their way yet again. Yeah, we have news at 9:45 Eastern time, 10 o'clock. Let's actually look at that real quick. And we got 3 minutes until the orb closes. Um, where's it at? I was like, dude, where's my calendar? Okay. Tuesday. So yeah, so 8:45 we have PMI, ISM services at 9 o'clock Central Time, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9:45, 10 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, that's all we got. Yeah, that's absolutely true. That is absolutely true. I mean, so far my position is working. Hopefully the bulls don't buy on this trend line. Hopefully. But if they broke out of this high, we could see a bounce at 30. We could. We could see a bounce at 30. But so I lost my first gold trade short, but hopefully this follow-up short works. I'm following my gold strategy. Unfortunately, I lost $90 in 3 accounts. My initial reaction was to re-enter short, but I gotta follow my rules. I lost $90 in 3 accounts. So that's only $270. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll try to look for another opportunity. I just got to remember in the long run, be focused on the long term. That even if I lose 2 times, if I lose tomorrow and I come back on Thursday and win, that win takes out both of those losses. And as long as I adhere to my system, then overall I can lose more than I win and I can still be profitable. Just gotta stay focused on that. Gotta stay focused on that. All right. So right now we have 397,000 contracts. So we had a good start, but we didn't finish. We only had 80,000, about 80, roughly 86,000 contracts added since the open. So we started off with 311,000 and now roughly we have 397,000. So, all right, there goes the opening range. The opening range is official. I mean, the question is, man, even if we do get the breakout to the upside, right, on the Nasdaq, even if we get the breakout, do we trust it? Because are we going to see price take out these highs? You spanking a baby? Mm. Hmm. All right. Dude, let me look at the hourly again. Okay, that's bullish. Okay, never mind. Great job, Bears. Great job. My God. Yo, these Bears suck. Oh my God, these Bears suck, man. Oh my God, dude. All right, let me see if I can kind of get an entry here on a 21 EMA entry. I'm pretty sure I can get a pullback, the first pullback to the 21 EMA. I know the Tradeovate users can't use this feature. I know that attaching the EMA is too advanced for that platform. No shots at anybody. But yeah, I'm trying to get in at a 21 EMA retest. I mean, unless the Bears do something crazy. I mean, we got the trend line. We got the Bears failing to hold the break. They had a small break. They tried to use it to short the market, so that tells me my trend line is correct. They failed. We had a stop run. We had price retest the trend line, and now we're seeing a move higher. So I'm going to take the orb long if I'm gonna try to trade the retest. He says start fighting the trend. Oh, well, I will see. We'll see if we get this pullback here. As long as the 21 EMA is in agreement, we should be okay. Hopefully, we can get that pullback, but that's fine. So far, so good on my gold short, on my follow up gold short. So far, so good. Right now, I'm 42 ticks in this. Great entry. Great entry. This is a great example of I just use the closest fib to support or resistance. I just keep it simple on gold. Just use the closest fib to support or resistance because gold tends to respect these levels. So we'll see. I'm gonna just let this play out. Hopefully, I can get my target filled before the regarded bulls come back in. And yeah, so far so good. Just let that play out. Mm. Well, I mean, Alfred, that's where you're supposed to be in. We're supposed to be you're supposed to be trading small size in the summer. Why is that so notorious? Why is that excuse so notorious though? But I've never seen that in reverse. Actually, I have. Never mind. But it's always hilarious. Man, I thought I was in micros, but I was in minis. Heavy. Mm. Well, I mean, all right. Let's see if we can get this. All right. Well, this is it right here. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in long. I got in at the 21 EMA retest. We'll see if the Bears was just being weak in this situation. Mm, if the hourly is about to flip back. No, the hourly is bullish. Never mind. I should be good. The only thing that I should be concerned about is potentially maybe the market just coming back and stopping me out because that's just the Nasdaq. But I'm properly sized in this. Uh, right now, I don't particularly care where my stop is placed, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm close enough at that retest of the orb, so I should be good, unless the Nasdaq wants to be nasty to me here. Should be good. Hey, yo, good morning, Santiago. Where's your entry at, Smith? Where are you trying to get in at? And you know what, Alfred? Shit, over a 30-day time frame, what, 300 or $270 is 80. I mean, I know that you make way more than that. I mean, I know that, but anyway, in minis. But compound interest is very powerful over time. Something as small as making $200, $300 a day at the end of the month, you can be up over $8,000. Hmm. Yeah, trading this way is definitely going to shift my mindset from the now into the future. Like looking forward, looking at my trade performance over several weeks versus, daily performance. I'm no longer looking at my daily performance. Uh, I have my rules. I'm going to follow these rules to the T. And at the end of the month, I'm going to look at my performance. At least now, when I have red days, now, okay, well, let me say this. I now can have red days now versus blow up days. Either before, all I had was green days and blow up days. There was no red days at all. Now I can have green and red days, and we don't have any more blow ups. Boo. Honestly, it's I was thinking about this last night. The reason why I did so well in the blue sky accounts was because I didn't have any fear that I would blow up. I mean, I can use my profits as drawdown. So when I went full port or heavy size, it was like, okay, that's fine. I mean, I'm up 10K in this account. I have 10K of drawdown. That was my rationale with everything. So it was like, well, I mean, I don't suck that bad where I'm gonna lose 10K in a position. So shit, I'm just gonna take the trade, and then there was no hesitation in the trade because I knew that I wouldn't lose the account easily, and I would always hit my 4K profit target. And the crazy thing is, without the fear of losing the account, I was barely in drawdown in those accounts, barely. It's crazy as that sounds. As I was kind of doing a mental review over the weekend, I would never go back to Blue Sky because of the experience that I had with them. But and it's nothing bad. It's just Blue Sky for whatever. Every time you take a payout from Blue Sky, maybe they changed it, but a payout would be uh, it would show up on your dashboard as a loss every time you took a payout. And if you had a daily loss limit on the account, it locks the account, and I had to reach out to them every single day for them to unlock my account. Those bastards didn't, like, during that time when Trump was saying all that crazy shit and the market was pushing up 18, 2,200 points in a day. They ignored my messages. They did not unlock my account. And all that movement, I had to sit here and watch all that beautiful price action not be in my live account. And then they had the nerve to unlock it the next day after all that beautiful price action was done. After that, I just decided that I would not ever trade with Blue Sky ever again. I don't ever want to. Mm. All right, Bulls. All right, Bulls. You're doing too much. You know, or you're not doing enough. You're not doing enough. All right, let me check on this gold play. Uh, of course, gold. I mean, I got 3 more points, 30 more ticks until my target gets hit here. Got 30 more ticks. So yeah, I know, dude. Well, shit, Smith. The way that this is looking, if this thing pulls back to the trend line or VWAP, hmm, yeah, buy off that 50 EMA. Man, I hate when the price action gets choppy like this, man. I hate it when the price action gets choppy like that. Short this scam. Shit, I know Alfred doesn't. He said Alfred, you don't frequent think with Bookmap anymore. Gangway, I don't see you over there anymore either. Has everybody stopped using Think with Bookmap? Gangway was over there generating his liquidity over there. Gangway sent me a dangerous, threatening message saying, "Hey, this is their this. Hey, this is the time frame that I'm trying to generate liquidity for my position. Stop helping out." And I was like, "Damn, Gangway is like that. Is like that." Gangway says he's trying to generate the liquidity for his position. He gave me a time frame between this time and that time. This is my time, Sherm. And I was like, all right, Gangway, my bad. Didn't mean to step on no toes. You say you don't speak to them no more? I mean, that's why I just muted. Honestly, I really don't understand how anybody can trade with that noise. Yeah. It's like, oh my God, shut up. Yeah, I just muted. I can't stand the noise. But it's definitely a great tool to have. That's crazy. I can't stand the noise, man. That's so crazy. You know, up to 50 EMA. I mean, I think this is. I mean, unless Trump. Oh yeah, the ISM services. I forgot. We'll see. Oh shit! Oh shit! I forgot about the ISM services. Oh shit! I forgot about that. Ah shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Damn it. Damn. Yeah, I was so close to target, man. Come on. Man, what the fuck, man? Ah, man. Yo, this thing pushed up $2 away from. Hopefully this is a drop right here. Damn. Man, man, I hate you. Oh my god, you rainbow bears. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, rainbow bears, dude. God damn. Man, I just got in short, man. Hmm. Rainbow bears, man. All right, so we got to remember that we got to remember that we could potentially see a big rotation here. Okay. Let's actually see what the hell happened. Well, it looks like my gold short is safe for now. It looks like it's safe for now. Dude, I thought, man, I was about to say, dude, gold, don't do me like that because if you do me like that, hit my damn target. And I'm not gonna sit here and watch this, man. I'm not gonna watch it. I just come back to it because gold be all right. Well, I got in short off of the I think the Bears are going to hold this retest now. I mean, with that candle, I'm taking a chance now that the Bears are going to hold the pullback. They broke it, and now they're trying to use it to sell down. So we got a failed breakout at the highs. So now the market is going to try to make an attempt for these lows, and I think we see a break. And I'm definitely going to keep my eyes on. Definitely going to keep my eyes on yesterday's lows or below because we ain't touched that thing. There wasn't even a retest or nothing. So we'll see. Investor Z said ES took our teeth out for him. Yo. That's hilarious. She took her teeth out. Oh man. Yo, congratulations on anybody that shit. Mm. Gold, stop doing these things to me, damn it. Damn. Just hit my target. Stop doing all these things. Damn. Damn. Mm. Well, I can see why the Bulls are trying to buy that, but they need to stop. Mm. Okay. All right. Let's see if the Nasdaq is going to be nasty to me here, just like gold is doing. That could down go down to yesterday's open. Yeah. Oh, you talk about yesterday on the Nasdaq or on the ES? I don't think we get a. I mean, it would be kind of. Well, I guess I wouldn't be surprised, but man, that would be a big ass drop. Yes. Well, okay. Rainbow bears, rainbow bears, rainbow bears, rainbow bears, please. I come before thee. Please just follow through here. Put some initiative behind these shorts, man. Damn. Mm, 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 mm. I think we're still bearish on the hourly. Yeah. I mean, it's bearish, but barely. This is definitely bearish. This is definitely bearish. Even though this is a bearish green candle right here. We got price opening below this hourly close right here. So that's definitely a bearish green candle. The one thing that we don't want to see here is the bulls pushing this thing right back into the body of this other candle, because then it will be bullish. And that's the one thing we don't want to see. Gold, you better do it, damn it. You better do it. Uh, Dude, come on, Gold. Don't do that. Don't do that to me, Gold. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Hit that target. Hit that target, Gold. Oh my God. Oh my God. No way. Oh my God. Okay. All right. All right, man. All right, dude. All right, dude. Whatever. Whatever. What- Okay. Were you able to get back into this, Smith? Looks like the shorts are working right now. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a down day for sure. Well, we don't know that. Right now, the market is trading to the downside. Uh, the hourly is bearish, and I mean, moving forward, the hourly is definitely going to be my reference when it comes to trading, filtering out the direction that I'll be trading in.
Connection lost.
No, vindicate me, damn it. I need vindication right now, damn it. Hit that target. There we go, baby. Target fill, baby. Target fill, baby. Let's go. Target fucking fill, baby. Let's go on the funded account. Let's go. Follow my rules. I lost on my first account. I got the win, the follow up win. On this account, I'm good. I'm good. This is the power of trading small. Oh my. Oh no, Nasdaq, please. No, 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 no. You no 2 ticks. No, no, no. Come, baby, come. No, please, no, no, no. I mean, the most dangerous thing about a short is that, dude, you just don't know. Man, come on, man. Man. Oh, no, no, baby, please, no, baby, please come back. No, hit that target. No, hit that target. Wow, Nasdaq is like that. So we got the same target. Yo, come on, Nasdaq, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Dump this scam. Dump this scam. All right, hold on. Let me look at gold real quick because she was acting real nasty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gold. Oh my God. I guess I should be thankful for gold's mercy. Oh my God, gold. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gold. You've chosen to be merciful to me today. Oh my god, dude. Damn. That would have been heartbreaking, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. That would have broke my heart. That would have broke my heart, man. All right. Mm. Well, I wonder why they're having such a hard time at this level right here. I mean, I do see it. I mean, obviously, I mean, I understand why. I mean, this is a breakout range right here. So, I mean, honestly, they could be buying this. I mean, at least they're trying to. Target fill, baby. Let's go. Target fill. And per the rules, we can scale into this shit now. But I don't think that's going to be necessary, though. I don't think it's going to be necessary, but per the rules, I can scale into this. If we do see a full-fledged unnecessary retracement here. I mean, well, I mean, it wouldn't be unnecessary. It would kind of be expected. We do got to break out from the range. I guess they did front run the range and pushed it right back up. This is technically the first test of this range right here of the breakout. I mean, I guess we could see them try to push it here, but and this is the orb low. Do I short the orb low too? Do I? Well, I mean, I'm already in short, so I mean, I don't think I need to be greedy here. That's the orb low that is not breaking. Oh, gold. Oh my god, gold. Oh man, gold. That is so nasty, gold. That is nasty. Gold almost. Damn. I just got my target filled on gold, and it does this. I think I'm like, if I was still in this on gold, I think I would still be good. I would just have to wait for my target. I'll probably a lot longer, obviously. I mean, as long as gold doesn't take out this high right here, as long as this high is still intact, this is just price action. But if gold were to have taken out this high, then yeah. I mean, honestly, gold taking out this high would be damning to this position. So gold taking out this high, it would reduce the trade to a 20%. Gold taking out this high, I might as well just get stopped out on this one because I'm wrong. Yeah, it looks like gold. Yeah, it's finding support here. We'll see what happens with gold. We'll see. Damn, you know what? You know what? I'm a add right here, man. That looks like I'm an ad right there. Okay. I added at the orb low. So we'll see. We'll see if that's a mistake. I think I should be good, man. The hourly is super bearish. I mean, that's a super bearish hourly right there. I think I should be good in this. I should be. My only concern is that we get a random push, but I think we should be good. We should be. I don't see why we wouldn't be. And honestly, I'll take both of these off right there at the bottom of that range instead of having it like that. All right. You looking for 260? Mm. You know these rainbow bears ain't gonna give it to us easy. Come on, bears. Come on, bears. Just drop this shit, man. Just drop it. There we go, baby. There we go. Drop that shit, baby. Drop it. Dump it. Drop it. Whip it up, dope scientist. Whip it up. Whip it up. Whip it up. Okay. Hey, don't beg, yo, Smith. Nah, don't beg. She ain't gonna give it to you if you beg for it, man. You gotta tell her what to do. Says, God damn it, you better give me 650 or 260. Damn it. Are we gonna have some problems? And then when she doesn't give it to you, that's when you beg. It's like, come on, baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. We can talk about this. Oh, baby, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Please. Man, don't do that. Don't do that. We was going in the right direction. Women. I don't like going in that direction. It's not toxic enough. Mm. The hourly is still bearish, man. We still got this, man. That's a bearish hourly candle. It's gonna be tough for bulls to recover from that. It's gonna be tough until we get into some support, some real support. Yeah, I mean that 50 EMA, Smith. Uh, just be mindful, man. That 50 EMA on the hourly is at 266. Just be mindful of that. We could see some problems there. Man, baby, come on, man. Stop being that way. Damn. Sometimes gotta let them all in. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Oh. Yo, no. That's not fair. No, that's not fair. Yo, that's not fair. Yo, that's not fair. That damn target. Oh, well, I was about to say, bro. I was like, dude, that's not even fair. All right, man. We good, man. We good. We made our money for today. We done, baby. We good. Hopefully, y'all was able to make some money with me with that drop, baby. Don't ever let nobody tell you that chart geometry does not work. If it wasn't for this trend line right here, we wouldn't know what side of the market to be on. Don't ever let nobody say chart geometry don't work. This trend line saved my butt today. Because if I didn't have this trend line drawn out, I wouldn't have known that the market I wouldn't have taken that short because look at how the market broke that trend line, turned around, used it as resistance, and I was able to get into that because that's what I recognized. I didn't have that trend line. I wouldn't even recognize that. Chart geometry works. So now we got one more target, man. Can we get it? Smith, take your Smith. I know you took it. I know you took it. I know you took it. I'm going to put this stop right here. Actually, I'm just going to put this stop above. I'm going to just trail this thing as it goes down now. I would have kept my stop where it was at, but now that my average entry is all the way down here, I don't want it to retrace and come back and stop me out. So I need to trail this thing now. You gonna wait for the afternoon session now? All right, we're at this area now. I might actually take this, man. I might take this actually. I might take this. Yeah, I might take this because we're at that area. I mean, if we don't see the bears rejected off of this 21 EMA right here, I'm gonna take it. We need to see them rejected here because we did tapped into this area, this range right here. This is where the origin of that breakout is. So we could see the market try to double bottom here, but I'm not going to take a chance on that. I'm just going to take as much profits out of this as possible. Whip it up, dope, son. Whip it up, whip it up. All right. All right, cool. That's cool. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Great trade, everybody. Great fucking trade, everybody. Great freaking trade, man. Great trade. I'm done. I'm about to switch accounts. I'm about to go into the play account now. We're not done making money. We're just done in the stream account and the funded accounts. Yo, that's crazy, man. Yo, gold. Yo, that's nasty, gold. Yo, that is so nasty. That is nasty. Yo, that was nasty on gold. Gold literally stopped me out. I would have got stopped out of this if I didn't get my target filled. Actually, no, my stop was up here. Never mind. I take that back. No, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. My stop was because my entry was, I think it was like 35. I think my stop was at like 39 or something like that. Yeah, I remember when my stop was above this high. So never mind. I take that back. But if I didn't get filled in this position, gold literally did a full retracement, and I would now be, I would actually be at break even right now. I would actually be back at break even after gold being so close to my target. So I'm just going to take that as a win today. I'm going to take that as a win. And of course, the Nasdaq had to stop me out. All right. Hey, yo, what's up, Nightfart? You got another payout today? Yo, congratulations. Yeah, I mean, shit. this was the move. I mean, if you're not in this move, if you're not in it, it's going to be difficult to it's going to definitely be difficult to get back in this thing, man. Definitely going to be difficult to get into it because now we're at a potential area of support. We did get the break from the orb low, so the momentum is definitely to the short side. Uh, the hourly is definitely still bearish, but we're coming up to S2. We're at the 50 EMA. This could be a hot spot for bulls to start to buy it. It's the origin of that break of structure from yesterday. So if we can get if the bulls fail here, we could see some more downside, and then we can potentially see a retest short here. But this could be an area where the bulls step back in here. So uh, this is definitely a test for the bulls right now. Well, yeah. Alfred did warn us about that news. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right about that. Mm, mm, all right, I must. I'm going to take a chance at this range breakout right here at 215, 275. I'm going to take a chance at a long here for a bounce if we see that. Yeah, I definitely agree, Smith. Uh, I definitely agree. I do think that we definitely have some more room for downside, especially if the market doesn't, if the bulls don't step up at this low right here. This actually not that low, not at the orb low or the orb yesterday's orb high. If they don't step up at yesterday's orb low, that's going to be nasty. That is going to be nasty. You said we could drop to the previous orb. Yeah, we definitely can. Uh, yesterday's high was at 197. Yesterday's high was at 197. Yesterday's low was around uh 2388. But there's this range right here that I'm looking at. This is range. So I'm gonna take a chance here at that range right there. The Nasdaq is about to teach me a lesson about being cute with my with taking profits before allowing price to hit my target. Because 39, I have my target at 28, and of course the Nasdaq is about to hit that shit. Of course she is. It's all right. It's all right. I made money today. I shouldn't allow something so small like that allow me to step away from what's working and try to get my revenge. All right. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Yeah. My stop was literally above this high. Damn, gold is really trying to get me right now. Gold is definitely trying to get me right now. Let me actually, I'm gonna look at that real quick. I'm gonna look at my orders. Actually, it doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. I'm just glad that it worked out because gold was definitely trying to get me. Go ahead, fill that target gold. Or not gold, Nasdaq. Target filled. Or no, not just yet. Target filled. One more point. Target filled. Target filled. Damn it. Should have kept it. Target filled. I mean, shit, we all have trust issues with shorts, man. We all have trust issues with shorts. I mean, it's for a reason. We don't trust shorts for a reason because they suck. That's why I call them all babies so I don't mix up the names. Player Tactics 101. Don't ever call them by the name. Give them the same pet name. What's up, baby? So you never get them mixed up. We can definitely tell that the summertime is almost over. I think kids go back. I think kids go is already back in school. I think kids are already back in school, and I think we're starting to see that. We're starting to see some volume in this market now. So it's been a while since we've seen over 500,000 contracts traded at one time during the New York session. So I think we're starting to come off that summertime trading. We definitely pumped up a lot on low volume over the summer. The trend that we usually see is the market usually gives back the summer move, and this could be potentially what we're seeing now. Potentially, I mean, these bears suck. I mean, they always will suck. But this whole move pushed up on low volume, and now since the big boys and girls are back at their desk, they could be trying to sell into this. So we'll see. I don't think we're going to take out the lows though. I mean, that's a double bottom low at 22.8. I don't think we're going to take those out anytime soon. I don't think so. Mm. Are you talking about the VIP team on Top Step? If that's what you're referring to, yo, congratulations on that, Investor Z. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that was crazy. I can't believe. I mean, Smith, that was definitely a. We were still Bears then. We were still devoted Bears. We were still devoted Bears at that time. To do anything other than fight that trend would have been blasphemous. We were supposed to fight that trend. How dare the market go up and not pull back? How dare it? All right, we in. All right. Either this is gonna be a mistake or this is gonna be a great play right here. We'll see. We'll see if the Bulls kind of step up here. And I guess my stop is at a great spot. I guess I'm pretty sure it'll probably sweep this and then bounce if it will bounce, but we'll see. We'll see. Looking for the previous orb. No, I'm not fighting the trend, K trader. I went long in at this range. I will always fight the trend at a pullback into a range. I mean, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. You know, it's not a. This is the only time that I would kind of trade against the overall momentum is when price trades back into an area where price breaks out from. It doesn't mean that it's going to work. It's just that, this is where I'm going to trade at. It works and sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. Mm. Hmm. All right. Well, honestly, yeah, if they don't hold this shit, this thing's gonna flush. And actually, I probably actually might get in short at the orb again. Probably might get short at that orb high. Damn. I just short the retest here. If we get a retest. Hmm. 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 Well, now I guess we will see here. Well, the market, so it's going to probably be obvious that the market is maybe going to make an attempt to come for the orb lows here, but we got a range inside of a range. So we got range inception right now. Mm, shit. The way this thing is looking, yeah, we could. But like there is a so we this range right here, we could see we could see price kind of find support at this range. We'll see though. I'm just gonna short yesterday's orb high. I'm gonna short that. If I can get if this thing can pull back and let me into this, I'll short it down. But then at the same time, Same time. Mm. All right. So I guess so what my plan will be. So if I see the Bulls find support here at 135, I'll try to get into it as close as possible. I am concerned that price is going to try to target yesterday's orb low. Damn, dude, what the fuck? I mean, I definitely got. Well, I would have got stopped out of that gold play. Damn, gold. Okay, well, shit, Nasdaq. Damn, I'm calling Nasdaq gold now. I must. Shit. Okay, well, I must be. Must care about gold more now. All right, let's see. Well, let's see what happens here. Maybe we could see a bounce, and then they probably. I'm gonna still keep this short at the orb high. I'm gonna still keep it short at the orb high. Cause shit, either we're gonna see a bounce at yesterday's orb low, or we're gonna see a break, and it's just gonna go down further. You say, hey, shorts with a passion. Well, where are you trying to get in long at? I think 135 to 115 will probably be the best bet. This breakout range from yesterday, but I just don't like the fact that that orb low is literally at the bottom of this range. I don't like it. I don't like it. So we'll see what happens here. At 2390. Hmm. The hood my stops. The hood my stops. Let me save that real quick because I hate that. I hate that with a passion. Hmm. So it's like that. It's like that, NASDAQ. So it's like that. Hmm. Looks like the Bulls they want to start buying here, but we don't know if they're going to be successful. Like I said, this is the range where price broke out from the upside, and we got a strong close right above this range right here. This is actually the range that I tried shorting yesterday. And this is what happened to my position right here as it got stopped out. So we'll see. We'll see if the Bulls find this area to be enticing the buy to start buying their yeah, that does look like it once they want to start buying. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice one. You don't want to vindicate me at all. You want to front run the target that I was looking for. No vindication. All right. We'll see. We'll see here. So let's go to hell. And I'll look at it. He said on the cues, it's on the cues. Oh no, you said the gap is trying to fill. Which gap is it trying to fill? Cave trader. Okay. All right, I see it now. And so it looks like it wants to fill this gap right here. So I wonder why I was able to see that on the hourly and not the daily chart. On the daily chart, they made it seem like there's no gap at all. And they made it seem like there's no gap at all. But you can definitely see it on the hourly chart. You can definitely see that gap on the hourly chart. I don't know why the hell they did that. Or, okay. You said the 5 minute chart? This ain't financial advice, but I think a buy at 550, 555 would definitely be lucrative. Ain't financial advice though. Because that's a gap up. Trying to come down. Honestly, we'll see. We might actually see a pullback into resistance here. At least back to the 21 EMA. Hmm. Ugh. Nasdaq, you're just nasty for that one. I don't think this is a real bullish move. I'm gonna keep my limit at the orb high or at yesterday's orb high because technically that is a breaker structure down, and I do believe that any bull that's still in this right now is they're hoping and pleading for break even. They're hoping and begging for break even, ready to sell the position at that retest. So I think everybody will become sellers at this low right here. I think everybody becomes sellers. If not, uh, no, I don't trade Top Step no more. It's too expensive. And not only is it too expensive, 25% off, huh? Mm, mm. I definitely would have to think about it because I don't want to get any more evals. I'm definitely over the eval phase, obviously. At this point, I don't care for evals. Uh, Now I'm only interested in straight to funded accounts, and I'll probably get one or two of those per month, depending on the cost. Probably just one a month. Yeah, I'll just get one a month, and if I blow it, then I'll just get another one the next month and just trade it as if it's a personal account with micros and stuff like that, and taking like the one or two trades a day. I don't plan on blowing through all my accounts. I don't think that's going to happen in the near future, but if that were to happen, which again, I really don't see that happening. Moving forward, I'm just going to whenever Tradeovate or Tradeify has their 35, 45, 50% deal off of all accounts, I'll just get a straight to funded account from them. I'll just spend the $365, trade that like it's my personal account. If somebody's in this long right now, they're definitely hoping for break even. So I'm pretty sure a majority of the market right now is long at that orb high from yesterday. So I'm about 70% confident that the market wants to at least tap that before dropping further. They want to at least tap that. As you speak of the devil shall come. Okay. Come on, baby. Hey, come on, man. Come on. Damn. Shit, you ain't gotta be like that. Hmm. All right, so I'm in short. I got my stop above this range high. It's a perfect stop out, and invalidates the trade if I'm wrong here. Uh, hmm. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna target my last final runner. I'm gonna target the lows from yesterday. The orb low. We could see a break from there, or we could see the market bounce. So if I'm wrong here, that this it will just go to show how just nasty the Nasdaq is. I guess I shouldn't have shared my I guess I shouldn't have told the Nasdaq where I was planning on getting long at, because I was looking for 135, and of course she front runs it at 138. Of course. Okay. Well, hmm. Of course she fronts runs it. If this is a long, this is the real long. But we're in this short, so mm, damn, that's not good. Damn it. Damn it, that's not good. That's not good. Hmm. That's not good. Now we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Are the Bulls are going to be so aggressive that now that they've got their break even, that they're going to add to their longs here? I guess I would do the same thing too. Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, okay. Yeah, honestly, man. I don't know. You said that says loss of resistance here for longs. I think the longs are probably going to. Oh yeah. I will see. I'm not stopped out yet. Uh, I got my stop where it needs to be at. Actually, actually, my stock kind of needs to be above this high right here. Damn, gold. Did Trump say something about gold? Did Trump say something? Not only did gold recover from a trend line break, is now right back above it. I can take this one off. Not only did it survive, it came right back and broke back above that trend line. Hmm. Yeah, K Trader, I agree. Right when you think well, right when you think the Bears are going to hold the pullback, they just never do. Well, I'm still in this, but my confidence level on this trade is not high. Uh, I thought the Bears would hold that low after we got that break, but it looks like it looks like it was a liquidity run underneath that range. I mean, so far, that's what it looks like. Well, okay, Trader, they haven't won yet. Bears haven't won yet. They need a strong close back underneath that range. If we can get a strong close underneath that range, the Bears won. But if they pop back into this range, then it's going to be over for this position. So we need a strong close outside that range. All right, there we go. That looks like a strong close right there. We should be good now. We should be good. We should be good. Yeah, on the cues. Hey, Alfred. Well, I mean, I guess if you're still there, Alfred, is the was the gamma negative the entire time, or was the gamma positive before the drop happened at the start of the session on the cues and spy and everything like that? I may. It's like every time I get black box stock, I just don't use the damn thing. I just don't use it. I don't know why. I just don't ever use it. And then when I don't have it, I tend to want to reference it. Oh, you don't have it up? Oh, okay. All right, the Bears need to hold this. I mean, the Bears need to hold that right there. Need to hold that. I mean, I feel like we're just well, I hate to man. I do see a trend right there. Technically, the market is in a triangle right now. I don't or a megaphone or whatever you want to call that. But I mean, it's making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this position is probably done. My confidence level went down again. Bears suck as they always do. Yeah, I mean, if we're in this, if you're still in this short K trader, man, shit, I think we about to get stopped out, man. I think we about to get stopped out. The hourly is bullish now. I mean, it's the hourly, 15-minute, and 5-minute are all bullish. Where everything is bullish. That's bullish on the hourly. All right, there we go. Okay. Mm. Yeah, honestly, that my stop is probably a where the market is trying to go. I should have my stop above that high, but I'm not going to move my stop. I'm not moving my stop. I should have entered this position in a way that my stop would have been above that high. So I'm not going to move my stop. Take extreme ownership for my position. Extreme ownership. All right. Well, we'll see if the Bulls hold this right here, that 2150 EMA little pocket right there. We'll see if they hold it. All right, let's see if we get a trend line break here, man. I guess the fat lady hasn't sung yet. I think this position can still be alive. The fat lady hasn't sung. All right, we'll see. We'll see if the bears are going to buy it or if the bulls are going to buy it at that trend line. Mm. You're out of this now? Congratulations on that win, on that W. Yo, the Nasdaq, man, right now she being real nasty, man. She ain't leaving nobody behind, man. She giving hope to both sides of the market right now. She ain't leaving nobody behind. Nobody is getting left behind right now. But the charts, I mean, if we're gonna just reference the charts, man, I mean, we are definitely in a megaphone right now. A reverse wedge. We know that the market is going to try to rotate back and forth right now with that wedge. It's making higher highs and is making higher lows. So until the bears break it, we have to respect the bulls. Until the bears break it. I think a Trump tweet is probably incoming. It's like, Trump, the market is stagnant. Say something. I don't like China. And then the market. Oh, hold on. If Trump were to say that, would the market pump or would it dump? If he just randomly says he doesn't like China, he tweets. Does the market dump or pump in that situation? I don't think the market would know what to do. It's like, hold on, should we buy this? No, that's bad. We should sell. We should sell. What would the market do in a situation like that? But a Trump tweet is probably incoming since the market doesn't know what to do now and needs Trump's guidance. The market needs Trump's guidance right now in which direction it needs to trade in. Oh man, that's hilarious. I don't like Russia. Oh yeah, you say you don't like Texas. This thing a dump. This thing a super dump. You're supposed to love Texas. You say you don't like Georgia. I just don't like the traffic. But we gotta love the scrippers out there. We gotta love the scrippers. We gotta feed their kids. What would the world be without scrippers? We need the scrippers. We gotta take care of them. And that means we gotta make sure their kids are good so they can continue scripping. Hmm. You know what, Alfred? As funny as that is, that's exactly right. That is exactly right. Bands that make good dance. Bands that make good dance. All right. More. All right. This is the test right here. This is the test. Either we get a close underneath this trend line, or this thing's gonna pop right back up. It's the test right here. And that tells me that my trend line is drawn right because we're seeing the bulls trying to buy it. So this is correct. My trend line is correct. So let's see. If they buy this thing and they close back within that range, it's just done. So hopefully we can get a stop run here. Hopefully. Exactly. Exactly. What the what does that mean? All right. Let's see if we can get this break. We get this break, we good, baby. We good in the shorts, baby. We good. We good. Let's hit that first target. We good. Let's hit that first target. We good. Oh, come on, NQ. Stop being like that, man. You don't need to be like that. You don't need to be like that. Oh, bro, come on. Oh, baby, please. Come on. Yo, come on. Like, yo, being in shorts suck, yo. Oh my God. Yo, being in shorts, like, dude, this sucks being on this side of the market. I hate it, man. Oh my God, I hate shorts, man. Damn. You gotta get, like, dude, by the time price hits your target, you can go to college and get a PhD and you'll come back and it still won't even hit your target in the short, man. Damn. Like 20 years just passed by. Hit that damn target. We all know you're trying to target yesterday's lows, that orb low on yesterday's orb. Stop playing. Hit that shit and stop playing. Yeah, dude, that's why I hate taking them, man. I hate taking shorts, man. They're so exhausting. Like by the time I'm done, by the time I get my target filled on a short, I'm just ready. I'm done for the day. I don't want to do anything else. It's like, sure, why are you so exhausted? Why are you taking 10 naps in a day? I took a short on the Nasdaq. Oh, okay, yeah, I understand. You took a short on the Nasdaq. Honestly, if I took this, my stop would have been good. 28.3, 28.3. Man, would have been good. 23.8. Yeah, would have been good. My stop would have been all the way down here. That's crazy. That's crazy. Come on, Nasdaq, finish that move out, man. Y'all broke the trend line. Finish that shit, man. Yeah, what's up, Tristan? Yeah, dude. Yeah, the Nasdaq is just like that, man. The Nasdaq is just like that. Always running liquidity on these bears. Like, I've gotten to a point now where, man, I have to look at plan B's and C's when it comes to shorts, because sometimes the market will just run because everybody's short at one place. The market will just run that liquidity just to grab it and then go in that direction when it comes to shorts. Hmm. I mean, if you look back at what happened today, I mean, that orb kind of, I mean, once we got that break like that, once they broke down on that orb, that right there convinced me that, okay, it was time to short. And plus, it broke that trend line. But that short or that long earlier was kind of convincing, especially when you had the bears failing to hold that trend line right there. And then they pushed right back up, but then they failed to hold. Bears just suck. I hate shorting. I hate shorting this market. But the day was definitely a short day. That hourly candle definitely was a clue that the shorts were in control today. It's just that we was gonna have to experience some turbulence. How many contracts you got, Smith? Yeah, like she does do that. Man, she does it, man. And Nasdaq does have target tracking technology, triple T's, target tracking technology. Oh, if I hit that target, he'll pass the account or get that payout. Huh? Can you pull up his account in the account sacrifice database? Has he made an offering recently? Yeah. Sorry. We see that you haven't offered any sacrificial accounts for me to hit that target. I think I'm going to stop you out, and then come back and just blow through your target. When was your last sacrifice, Alfred? You know how that shit work. You know how it works. You know Nasdaq doesn't do anything unless you offer up a fresh sacrifice. Said I ain't good enough. It's like, but I made 3 offerings last week. That ain't good enough. No, Nasdaq. I say no. That was last week. That was last week. This is this week. I'm gonna need them offerings. But yeah, all jokes aside, though, yeah, the Nasdaq has been nasty right now. She is doing everything except hitting that target. The account sacrifice. There's the Nasdaq is listening. It's like, oh, he said one last trade. Bet. Ain't a bullish flag, then dump it. How often has that happened? Paint a bullish flag, then dump it. That's hilarious, man. That's hilarious. Of course, Nasdaq. I get it, man. I get it, Nasdaq. I get it. Instead of traveling 20 points I mean, what, you was about 7 points away from my target. I didn't even realize that. Instead of traveling that 7 extra points to my target, you want to travel all the way up and hit my stop and then hit my target. I get it, man. I get it. I get it. Well, we got this trend line here. I mean, we do got the bulls building up their sell stops right here, but then at the same time, we also got the bears building up their buy stops. So it's like, well, which side of the market is going to get hit first? Even though the bears have the advantage, they suck. So this is definitely going to be a tough one. It's definitely going to be tough, but we'll see if we get it. Yeah, she's really good at doing that too. And I feel like my target's front run levels. Like if I were to gotten to that level, like a naked position at that level, it would have probably hit my target and then bounced, right? But because it's my target, she bounces at a random level and then go 90 points in the opposite direction, finding a way to stop you out. See, there you go. There's that stop run that we was just talking about. All right, guys. That's it for me today. I'm gonna leave this position on. I gotta hop into this meeting, but that wasn't a surprise. I wasn't surprised by that. But we definitely had some good trades today. Good trade on gold, good trade on the Nasdaq. But right now, the Nasdaq is playing with everybody's emotion right now, making sure she doesn't leave anybody left behind before she makes the real move. So yeah, great trading day, guys. Well, that's it for me. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.